So today we're going to be showing you the Trimbag, which uses a method called friction trimming to massively reduce the time it takes to trim large quantities of produce. On the back of the carry case is a pocket that's good for storing accessories like scissors, gloves, cleaning products, and maybe even some Integra Boost pouches for curing your plant materials later on. As soon as you handle the Trimbag, you'll notice that you're dealing with a really high quality piece of kit. The zips are military grade, and when you open them up you'll even find a bottle of oil to keep them properly lubricated, which is a nice touch. There's also an instruction manual giving you a clear and concise explanation of how to use it. Here's a rough outline of the process. When you unclip the sides, the Trimbag will spring into place. Put your dry plant materials in the main chamber, making sure that it's no more than a third of the way full. This covers you for around a kilogram's worth, so you can tackle a lot of plant matter in one go. Then, close up the zips and secure the end caps to the sides. There may be the odd bit of plant matter that needs touching up afterwards, but overall the Trimbag is going to save you a lot of time, making it a worthwhile investment. To learn more, check out our website or pop in and see us in store.